Hello my beautiful, today I'll be doing my mom's manicure and we will be removing this nail polish by polishing the top layer of the old gel and then reapplying the new color gel. We're gonna be doing the same French manicure. If you haven't seen my previous video, you can check that out. And this is how I remove the gel nail polish without hurting the nail itself, because right now nowadays they're using machines which can destroy your nails because they're going so deep in your nails. So I do recommend you taking off the old way, taking off the gel, and you can do it by yourself at home. It's not that hard. It might take a little bit of time, like 30 minutes, to stay with a foil, but I do recommend this way. It's way safer for your nails, and I never take breaks from gel because it's really not hurting my nail. I do manicure for me and my mom every 2 weeks, at least 2 or 3 weeks depending on how well it stays. So this is how it looks once we remove the gel, and I am starting with cleaning up the cuticles. So we're keeping her fingers, her nails in the water with soap or with salt, and we're keeping it for like 5 minutes, and then I start pushing the cuticles and cutting the edges so to make it very clean and neat. Then I'm cutting out everything, all the dirt, so it looks properly done. I do manicure only for me and my mom. I don't do for my clients, but for sure I can do. I have done for a few photo shoots as well. Whenever it's really required, I can do, but definitely it's not that hard, and I can definitely recommend you doing that at home. It doesn't take a long time. Maybe it takes around 2 hours if you're making for someone. For your own self, it might take a little longer because you have to do nail by nail. It's not like I'm doing the full hand first and then second hand. I am doing one nail at a time and then putting it in the machine. Then it takes a little bit of more time. Then I'm polishing the nail. I'm doing it a hard polish and then a soft one, but I'm doing it very gently. The most important thing is to do everything gently, not to destroy the nail plate. You have to be very careful. So that's how it actually grows really long. My mom's nails were really short, and now you see it's getting longer and longer every time, and it reaches really long nail. We're taking care, and also I'm putting at the bottom of the nail at the end so it doesn't break. And I'm doing the 5-in-1 gel that is really strong, sometimes 7-in-1, which is actually extending nails, not lashes. This is 5-in-1, and I'm just protecting the bottom of the nail with a small brush. I'm applying, and then I am applying the French. This is the best way to do it. Super fast, and it looks the best. Like I tried the stickers, but like they are destroying the rest of the nail. I don't know. I find this is the best way to do French, and this is the easiest way for me to do French. If I ever have no time, I choose to do French. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.